Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you a strong trading strategy. We use two RSI indicators and one moving average. This helps you see short-term price moves and follow the main trend so you can avoid many wrong signals. So stay until the end. But before we start, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Add indicators. As you may know, the free version of TradingView doesn't allow adding more than 2 indicators to the chart. Since many of you might not have the Pro version, I'll show you how to do this strategy on another completely free website, investing.com. First, let's add 2 RSI indicators to the chart. For the first RSI, open the settings, set the length to 5, change the line color to red, increase its thickness, and set the upper limit to 50 with a thicker line, and remove the other options. For the second RSI, set the length to 21, change color to green, increase its thickness, and remove any remaining options. Then right-click on the green line and select Merge Up to combine both RSIs together. Also, set the scale of both the green and red RSI to the left. This makes sure they use the same scale, so the 50 level lines up perfectly for both. If you don't do this, each RSI will have its own scale. That means the 50 level won't line up correctly, and the crosses between the red and green RSI can look wrong or give you false signals. Finally, add an exponential moving average with a period of 50 to act as our trend filter. What each indicator is used for. Okay, now let's look at the 3 tools on our chart and what we use each one for. First, EMA 50. This is our trend filter. It helps us understand the main direction of the market. If the price is above EMA 50, the market is in an uptrend, so we only look for buy signals. If the price is below EMA 50, the market is in a downtrend, so we only look for sell signals. Next, we have the Green RSI with a 21 period. This is a smoother RSI that shows the market's momentum. For those who don't know, momentum tells us the speed or strength of price movements. If the Green RSI is above 50, it shows bullish momentum. If it's below 50, it shows bearish momentum. Finally, we have the Red RSI with a 5 period. This one is very sensitive, so we can see more short-term price action. We use this RSI to catch pullbacks inside the bigger trend, which is where our entry points come from. Here's how it works. Buy setup. In an uptrend, wait for the red RSI to drop under 50, a small pullback. When it crosses back above the green RSI, while green RSI is still above 50, that's your entry signal. Sell setup. In a downtrend, let the red RSI go above 50 during a pullback. When it crosses back below the green RSI, while green RSI is still under 50, that's your entry. Tip: don't enter on the first small move. Wait until the red RSI clearly crosses the green RSI. This helps avoid false signals. By using these 3 tools together, you get the best results. EMA 50 filters the trend. Green RSI shows momentum. And red RSI gives the hour entry signals. This setup helps us trade more accurately and avoid false signals, especially when the market is moving strongly in one direction. How to use these indicators together for trading signals. Now that we understand each tool, let's go through the steps of this strategy. For a buy setup, first make sure the price is above the EMA 50, which confirms an uptrend. Then check the green RSI with a 21 period setting. It should be above 50, showing bullish momentum. Finally, watch the red RSI with a 5 period setting. When it dips below 50 during a pullback and then crosses back above the green RSI, while the green RSI stays above 50, that's your buy entry signal. For a sell setup, the logic is the opposite. The price should be below the EMA 50, indicating a downtrend. Then the green RSI needs to be below 50, confirming bearish momentum. Then look for the red RSI to rise above 50 during a pullback and then crosses back below Green RSI, while the Green RSI remains below 50. That's your sell enter signal. Now let's see some examples. Real market examples. Let's look at a real example of a buy setup. Here, the price is clearly above the EMA 50, so the trend filter tells us the market is in an uptrend. Now check the Green RSI. It's above the 50 level, which confirms bullish momentum. Then look at the Red RSI. During this pullback, the Red RSI dropped below 50, which shows a short-term correction. But after a few candles, the Red RSI crossed back above the Green RSI, while the Green RSI stayed above 50. This is our confirmation to enter a long position. We placed the stop loss below the recent swing low and set the take profit at a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. In this example, the price continued upward and the trade easily hit the target. Now let's see a sales example. In this case, the price is below the EMA 50, so the trend filter tells us to look for sell opportunities only. The Green RSI is also below 50, showing bearish momentum. During a small pullback, the Red RSI moved above 50, meaning the market had a short-term bounce. But then the Red RSI crossed back below the Green RSI, while the Green RSI stayed under 50. That's our sell signal. We open a short position when the new candle starts. Place the stop loss above the previous swing high, and again, for take profit, a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio. A quick reminder. This is a trend-following strategy, so it works best in trending markets. In sideways market, you will still get false signals, but EMA 50 helps filter many of them. Also remember, no strategy is 100% accurate. Losing trades are part of the game. That's why proper risk management is critical. I recommend the 1% rule. Never risk more than 1% of your account on a single trade. Alright, before we finish, I have a quick question for you to check if you were really paying attention. What does the Green RSI with the 21 period setting mainly show us? Is it A, the trend direction, or B, the momentum of the market? Write your answer in the comments below and let's see how many of you get it right. So that's how you can use EMA 50, RSI 21 and RSI 5 together to make a strong trading strategy. Try it and share your results in the comments. I want to see how it works for you. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell. This way you won't miss any new strategies. For the next video, I suggest watching the 3 hidden secrets of RSI. These tips can help you improve your trading results. Thanks for watching and happy trading!